Follow these simple steps on how to install Akonini app in Google browser. Open the Google Chrome browser. Type akonini.com on the search. Tap the three-dot icon in upper right of the browser. Tap the Install App option. Tap Install and wait for the installation. Open the app from your home screen. Apple iOS installation. Open Safari browser. Type akonini.com on the search. Tap the middle lower bottom icon. Find, scroll, and tap the Add to Home screen. Tap Add. Open the app from your home screen.